eno ma bia hyase a ekoso wo Ghana na yedi ka di ho nkomo aka ho asem bibre by seems say nipa bia ye o madwen se omo de Ghana no ana im se omo mpeni yi na omo hu de ehu da omo hu de ano eden dantino they will start say omo kan sem a ehu hia na mfamfa so bia mre Ghana na ebetumi ama Ghana ajego se wo hwa amanyosem mu adesua mu kakra political science for ni ade o mbekere theories ahodo a ebo ye kabi ma min kabi amamu hu ban ana ebo ho bra na wo hwa ye wodie ntia o man bia won hyehyeye a ode ato wo se so obi bedi o mampani ana odi tumi bia eduru mpempenso bia etwa se onu etumi firi ho ema ofoforo ba ana se eduru mpempenso bia etumi ka se oh ahade asi ana yema ne bra odidi tumi ekosi because tumi timi wiye nipa tumi timi manipa sabi nsusu ye pa wo mpo etimi sakra ema wo ye de ni so wo ye enu nti man bia hyehyeye mu no ye de hyem se be ya ebe bob kabima menkabi amamu ho ban oman a opese democracy kabima menkabi amamu odi ye adwuma no saa oman no hyehyeye mu no oyese odi be hyem se be ya obi ntumi ni tumi ntraso num pempenso bi a edo how ebeba. Join me live on Facebook in Nhyira 104.5. It is our share enimdifuo mu adesua mu a liberal democratic theory no kabima minkabi amamuo no so ebo ho brabi no e kire se kabima minkabi ebetumi akoyi a age se ye nhyehyeye a enam mmra so ebema tumidie no yakura no se de ese ne fata eji wose democracy be survive a eyebra executive power no ya limit no by law. Executive power in Ghana say no ye ka ho asem a by president tebia ye president a wotisu by executive power ya to abama no tumi okura na saade we no nti oman bia ye mmra se tumi a obi kura no ye de bebo ho bra se be ya ontumi enter so nti so ohwe liberal democratic theory na o ka ho asem se ehu hia se ye nyamra se be ya ebe so tumi mu na akire bra ese tumi no eba na wieye na yetimi di ofoforo esimu etoa so se ankoba ne saa ema emra eyemre e destroy the rule of law ema elections ana abato okura na ese ye no ye de ye kabima minkabi no eho tochema ema enko yie. And in fact se wo hwe bibi man mu kura no a ye de yes ye practice democracy be duru ba bia because of African politics said ye city ntino ya na akoye tan so hwe Guinea say ya afakonde in 2020 yenhwe se eduru bra omo etwa se ne term limit no eba na wie no o se ma extend or ya referendum ni ade yenhwe ne yesi ye a whole lot even in 2021 ema coup ema na homne so in Guinea ekire wo se ya anhwe na se disua weni nimde ne yamfa enya adwuma ema oman no eto ape BBC a enye. Fast forward, Republican theory, anti-autocracy. Ma wahu se sa nimdie we so kire ye se so oman bi so ye kabima minkabi na yamfa hyehyeye anto ne ye ka se o de odi tumi otimi dia se de ope bia ebra ne bo bedro no ana time wo pe no wo kwa ne ye te ne se nipa ne tumi ni bedi ne mu a bedi ne tiri mu dem ema wanhwe ye bedu ba bi no na ompese ojai tumi ni mu na fe tumi no be ye te se nipa ba konko a ene betumi akura wo man no na ekoba ne sai sense tumi wo nipa ne nsemti wanhwe ye a ema oman no nkoso ekechiri ene ye Uganda. What is going on over there? 2005 and we try say term limit. Some mampani di ade a ebresu wo free so no mbe ye free ho. Omo koya to the extent say age limit. E dey say mampani no odi 200 years kura na na opeso odi ade obetimi adi ade. Uganda, they removed this 2005. Almost scrapped age limit 2017. Yeah, in Chebebre. Na yan ready esi wo. Museveni hwede wo ye ho. Akokoa wonu anyini diadia from 1986. Still over 40 years opeso wo say di ade obi onam odwonso ne ho onam a na ne ho woso na de ne ho ye still opeso wo sanso edi mampani edi ade je fa ne to so na wohwe de ekoso no a ebibiman yanyamamu no ne ye politics no eye different. Join your Facebook papa we also person called the 7th term into one year because term limit in year through 2005 and the age limit is year free ho it's about 86 years they crony no still now we said ye ono akra wa emredia fast still opeso osako Emma young people la omo ye opposition party mu omani abrese omo so peso omo contest bi no papa chinchim onsa Uganda chinchim omonsa try say obesi omo kwan san say we di tumi ya chenti tumi ya di litrimu dem ebom peso ojam kra yewere musivani hwede ekoso ho it will be kra tumi mu echa Jeff I've sent it to you obi kra tumi mu cha niema etumi banono ene papa ni use police or use soldiers intimidate omo so peso om preach me ni bi hwede ye Bobby Wine. This is very sad. Ekire say si e matumi kwan e ma ne kire so akọ nanimu adu mbembensuo bi a afei ni odi tumi no ebedi ni timu dem emebe ebeduru ba bi no won pese ojamu no pese otoa so e de kọ nanim e de nti na ma meka we asofo bi hyase o mamu kikan e na tetem ho asem ne namu a e de ma tetem any increase term any mama mpani bi kwan na onko term na wahunu honhum mu kura se mampani bi ko term enra ena mete se A+ enso ka se no de so wawe ata so akantam se term no de any term extension no de ono A+ no ogina mu chinchin so wa vow so obe test all the law say term any terms that yentimi ensia no no ebekoso ewo memu yentie no kakra
action. I am 100% third term person, not because I want GM to go for a third term, but it's because I don't believe in term limits.
Nhyira.
I just don't believe in term limits. What I believe is that if we have somebody who is building, we must allow the person to build. Even John Mahama cannot stop us from testing the law. We are not interested in term limits. If China, they had term limits, they won't develop. UAE, all the countries that have developed, they are more sensible than us. They are going to space and all. They have removed term limits. Some of them don't have at all. Some of them have different laws that favor their progress. They know, they can see what is happening in just one term. So they know that if there is a third term, they will never come to power again. So they are fighting.
Enti A+ ninyina so no China any other countries bia waboboso. Forgetting say the African politics dynamics ni different. Ebi ni mama wa example no from Uganda and Guinea other areas mama wa example no say ye bibi mamu ha no ye politics no say dey see practice ye democracy ye politics no e different. So wo ma bibi ni kwan e wo tu minimum say onko so without limit without constitutional guard. O mine na eto api and I've given you typical examples. E was ade we mu A+, Mr. Stop pushing a dangerous nonsense. A+, stop pushing a dangerous nonsense. Third term, Sembia, any more Ghana. Are you trying to say, so without one person, even in the NDC, or more party, Ababontia Bekase, they are not interested in a third term because they feel that they have competent people within the party who can continue and do the good works that Mahama is doing. And here we saying, Sabi, ni papa pe biya ni NDC mu, and then him difu biya ni NDC mu a, nyansa, John Dramani Mahama, edi bu o maino, ne term no so a, omu so beto aso di bu o maina na. Is that what we want to say? Fifi Akokoa, the General Secretary of the NDC. The NDC as a party is not even pushing for a third term for John Dramani Mahama. And there was there will be no third term for Mahama. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Nankasaka said he will not go for a third term. So why are you pushing this nonsense? What called Parliament? You are there to help Gomwa Central for the Wako. You are there to help shape policies and ensure say a normal equity even for your constituency. No? Is it a thing to worry about? Way any idea here? So we pray one. Article 66 2 no clear that the term limit ends at 2 terms, and that ends it. 4 years, 4 years. It ends it. You protect your democracy, no. Yempe how biao. Yempe how biao memu. Look at Guinea. Look at Uganda. I've given you examples. Now we are Benin. President is started for extended term, no. So who do you see? Attempted coup. Yempe se munubia. 3 terms in bia yen so 3 terms in biao. Also will be transfer and then one might develop the Rollins when you're 21 years. Military rule 13 plus 8 democratic rule from 1993, 8 years plus. What difference do we see? Extension of term, ne de ba. Jaisa and no man and emwa o mine. Then no me here shaping policies and other things, budget, then right you say to come about unemployment. Me did say no crown na wo ye hu dede. And as an MP, you are pushing this unfounded and some. I mean, nipa be sorry no more yes idea. Look at Burundi, Zimbabwe, and the others. Mama Benin recently. Africa, your politics need different. And so yen transimo bia meso so sans ngunu so. Emma your constitution no ye metane no ma na enkofa asemu mre o mai dache. Wo na wo criticize Akufuado. Na wani abrese Akufuado ye unya ye pranka ne term manso nkietu no. If there was an extension of sa no ma no a na Akufuado so was say babiem and with incumbency advantage na security nyina wona from electoral committee bibia wona no yes so was say babiem na ne near brace will be win power. Do you know what would have happened in this country? Yenya sanse hu no na emo awman no. You know say to do. Good morning.
Yes, Akokoa, good morning.
Bibia woko adom ne mpa boye ho ye. Na wo so